Have you ever watched a YouTube tutorial where the instructor types 100 words a minute and somehow everything just works for them? And you're sitting there thinking, why this is so hard? Why does everyone else seem to get it except me? How does that guy types hundreds of instructions and get the result on his first try? If you have ever felt this way, you're not alone. In this video, I will explain why programming feels hard at first, and more importantly, why that feeling is completely normal. Programming is not just learning a tool, it's learning a new way of thinking. When we talk to humans, we skip steps all the time. We assume things, but computers don't skip anything. They don't guess, they don't assume. You have to explain everything clearly. What to do, when to do it, what happens if something goes wrong. At the beginning, it feels exhausting because your brain is doing something it has never done before. You are learning to think step by step and very clearly, and that takes effort. Another reason why programming feels hard is syntax. Brackets, semicolons, indentation, keywords. Your brain is trying to understand two things: the idea and the language at the same time. That's like trying to learn driving while also learning how the engines work. It's simply too much at once, and this is important. The problem isn't you, it's that you are multitasking cognitively. Most of the time, you understood the idea. The computer just didn't understand your grammar. When you learn many other skills, you see progress immediately. But in programming, one small mistake, one missing symbol, and suddenly nothing works. Your code will either 100% work or not working at all. Even if you follow 99% of the logic, your system will not show messy on a single missing semicolon. This makes you feel stuck, even when you're very close to the solution. This delay between efforts and result makes programming feel harder than it actually is. So what actually helps when learning programming? First, small problems. Don't try to understand everything at once. Just start small. Second, think in steps, not in code. Before coding, break down the steps to get the result in plain language. Third, explain things to yourself. If you can explain an idea simply, you are already learning it. And this part is very important. Confusion doesn't mean failure. It means your brain is learning. So, if programming feels hard right now, that's not a sign to quit. It's a sign that you're learning something real. Everyone who's good at programming once felt exactly like this. The imposter syndrome. Assuming I'm not smart enough for this. Do not think yourself as an imposter. That's not how learning a skill works. You have to practice it daily. to build discipline, then progressively overload the practice. Just do it. Thanks for watching. This is Vacuum Bites.